Hello, hello. Testing the mic. 1 2 3 1 2 3. I think is live. Is live right now, so I will start the live stream now. Remember, I have a Discord group, and also I have a private group in my Discord channel. Channel. I'm more active in the private group, so I'm trying to keep posting things. I'm more active in the private group. Hello, man. Nice to see you again. So if you want to join the group, join the Discord, and then you can send me a private message, and I will tell you how to join. So I will start now. If you have any questions, there's a chat, and you can send your message. Thing is all okay. Are you? Hello, Simar, in Discord. Can you watch? Can you hear? Okay, so let's start. So this morning, as I said in my previous video, I'm bullish for dollar index, for this one. Okay, you can see here I have this is the ticket. This is the dollar index. Okay, I'm bullish in dollar index right now. See how beautifully the 4-hour fair value gap hold the price. This is information the algo is giving us, so we can understand the price narrative. Okay, we have a market structure shift here, 4-hour. This is not out, so it's very strong confirmation. Okay, market structure shift here. And retracement. Okay, we have the market structure shift. Price show us strength to the upside. It took this high, this previous high. It broke this high and then retrace. Where it retrace to this imbalance, to this 4-hour imbalance. Okay, but also if you measure this with the Fibonacci retracement, you will see also we are in the optimal trade entry zone, which is in discount here. So this is the optimal trade entry zone between 0.62 0.79. This is the optimal trade entry zone. Okay, and it matched the imbalance, the 4-hour imbalance. So it was a perfectly retracement, perfectly set up, and narrative was performing well. As you can see, 4-hour fair value gap imbalance hold the price. Just a tiny bit it went out, but mostly the bodies are inside the area. Wicks are going through, but it's okay. And the most important thing was the divergence, the SMT divergence we had. And this morning in the private group, I shared this SMT divergence. As you can see here, you see this line, SMT divergence, smart money technique divergence. If we are watching and we have dollar doing a higher low, we expect the index. Sorry, we expect Euro USD and GBP USD. This is GBP USD. Sorry, GBP USD. So if we observe a higher low, we need to wait. We need to wait for GBP USD to make a lower high, which in fact it did it. No, that's good. That's a good symmetry. That's good correlation. As you can see, Euro USD didn't. You see, it made a higher high. So we can say that this was correct. This was correct, but this was doing something wrong. And it's not wrong. It's just manipulation for a few short period of time. Basically, what Euro USD did was just take the previous day high. Liquidity was residing here, for then later continue lower. So basically, dollar index was showing no interest to going lower. GBP USD was showing no interest to going higher, and Euro USD was just making this fake movement manipulation. So also, if you measure this retracement, you will see how perfectly prices are respecting the optimal trade entry. This midpoint between 0.79 and 0.62, which is 0.705. This is a perfect entry to take a short. So that was my analysis this morning, and in fact I'm already in the trade. I can show you. Give me 1 second. I took this trade and I shared it in the private group. Give me one moment. This is Euro USD, and I took this short position here. So this is a real account. Okay. And yeah. So this week, I must acknowledge, was a good week. I'm recovering from drawdown, and I have more analysis to share with you. This is just, I want to make public my private group, so I think this is a good way to show how I trade, so you can know me a bit better and know how I see the market and how I share my views. And yeah, I invite you if you want to come to the private group. I'm more active in the private group, not in the public one, but I'm trying to do some stuff. So this is dollar index, Euro USD, and GBP USD. So we have this SMT divergence, and that was a trade I took a short position. Let's go to indices. So right now we have this. So first of all, have in mind that today is Friday, and it's not the best day to take trades, but yeah, how there's some questions in the YouTube channel, the YouTube chat. How you win the leap competition? I mean, it's really too much hard. I'm sorry, I never asked. It's called our market. How I did the leap? Well, I explained this in a video. I think in one of the videos I upload, and I was very aggressive, to be honest, and just using ICT basically, some setups, using the maximum lotage, I think it's called maximum I can put, in the position, and that was my my strategy was taking the best setups, and some setups were more risky than normal, but I won't take it like normally. But this you have to think this is a competition. There was like 35,000 people, and you have to be very aggressive. So maximum lotaje. Let me check how this is word in English. Yes, lotage. Yeah, maximum lotage. And yeah, ICT concepts. That was my strategy. And overall marketing sideways, I'm right? Kind of. I see more movement than August. August was horrible, but we have some movement right now. It's not sideways completely. We have a lot of movement in indices, ES, Nasdaq, and Dow. But one thing you must avoid is trade in these conditions when you have the couple market, when you have one is doing a higher high, one is doing kind of relative equal highs, one is doing lower low. This is the thing you should avoid. And yeah, that's very, very bad conditions. And what else? Yeah, you have any questions, you can just send a message. This live stream is being recorded and it will be uploaded in YouTube later. So this is called I took a trade on Wednesday here. Here was a beautiful setup. I will show you how. I also shared this in the private group. So what happened? Well, it's okay. I won't go back, but I will show you so as you can see here, price did this high and then dropped. Okay, it dropped, and obviously we had market structure shift. We have also called break of a structure. Was very obvious. We have momentum to the downside, so I was expecting a retracement. Always when you have these movements with these drops, you're expecting a retracement. So let me talk of this. Yeah, so from here, from this point, from this height, which was from where price dropped, to this low, when this low was the point where price starts to going up, and it made another market structure shift. And so this is important point. From this is a range from this high to this low. There is a range. I did my Fibonacci, and as you can see, inside the optimal trade entry, we have an imbalance. We have a 15-minute imbalance. So this was the area I was looking for taking a short position. It was a beautiful trade. In price is visiting premium. Remember, this is premium. 0.5 to the upside is premium. And inside premium we have this optimal trade entry zone, which doesn't mean every time will be like this, but sometimes it makes sense because you have some things related to this level. And yeah, I took a long position here, you can do targeting this. You can target this low, and the stop loss you can put it in the high or in the midpoint of this week, like this. So that was the target, and yeah, was a nice setup. Hola, Josías. Pues ahora mismo puedo hablar español también. I speak Spanish and English. Puedo hablar español también. Puedo cambiar el idioma y si quieres que hablen en español, pregúntame cualquier cosa. Lo que pasa es que la mayoría, most of the people, are not, I think, they know the Spanish, so that's why I'm trying to speak mostly in English, but I also speak Spanish. Bro, ¿qué tiempo llevas tradeando? Tradeando llevo unos 4, casi 5 años, yo creo. Pues sí, igual debería hacer uno solo en español. Pero bueno, ahora que estamos ya, I will mix Spanish English. If you have some questions, I will try to help you. Sanaular. I did not know Spanish. That's why I'm speaking in both languages. Yeah. But next time I might do only Spanish live stream. You said before gold you have to buy now. Yeah. I don't know. I won't buy now because it's Friday. Market is closing. And it's not the best time to buy now. Yeah, you should wait for the next week to see how price opens. I still like this 15-minute imbalance. I will leave it here because it's not completely refilled. It's not completely balanced. For me, I consider relative equal highs or even equal highs. Yeah, it's very to the tick. This is equal high, so you see all this level is very interesting to keep an eye because price will smash it for sure. Sí, eso sería excelente. Casi no hay muchos que hacen live stream sobre ICT conceptos en español. Sería muy bueno. Muchas gracias, Josías, por ese feedback. Pues sí, debería quizás... No hago muchos, la verdad. De hecho, hago poquísimos, pero quizás debería empezar a hacer quizás 2 a la semana. Uno en español y uno en inglés. Porque ICT es verdad. Bueno, sí que hay algunos que hacen Smart Money. Que es otra manera de llamar ICT, aunque también he visto traders que dicen que hacen ese Smart Money Concepts, pero meten algunos conceptos que no son realmente de ICT. Pero bueno, personalmente mi manera de hacer trading es como un poco una... ¿Cómo se diría? Con el tiempo se ha ido simplificando todo. Porque cuando empecé hay tantos conceptos que es imposible. Recordad que también tengo un grupo en Discord. Tengo un grupo público y privado en Discord. Preguntan, ¿tu comunidad privada te paga? La privada sí, claro. Sí, sí. Porque ahí es como el contenido que le dedico, pues es contenido de calidad, ¿no? Es contenido que, bueno, son básicamente mis análisis. Eh, y también hay, pues, material, ¿no? Algunos vídeos privados o también incluyo, pues, como 30 minutos al mes. O sea, dentro de la mensualidad ofrezco 30 minutos para hacer una conexión uno a uno y que me cuentes y yo intentar ayudarte, ¿no? Pues ahora tiene un costo de... Lo he bajado porque quizás está muy caro. Aunque para mí lo merece porque es mensual. No es como... No, no es tan caro, o sea, son $50. Pero lo quiero bajar. Lo quiero bajar a 30 o por ahí. Y es mensual, ¿sabes? O sea, y la calidad... Y yo creo que el contenido que estoy subiendo es de calidad. ¿Sí? Yo no soy el... O sea, no intento al menos pues hacerme el pro, ¿no? Y estafar gente ni subir fotos de Lambos ni nada de eso. Y básicamente pues es lo que yo es conocimiento que durante 5 años pues lo he simplificado y lo comparto. Pues yo nací en Ecuador, pero vivo en España. Vivo en España ahora. Sí. Y bueno, pues a ver qué hay por aquí. Si tenéis alguna pregunta sobre algún, algún asset, algún instrumento, pues decírmelo y lo analizamos juntos. Dice, sueles tener un porcentaje de pérdida diaria semanal para respetarlo y no exceder tus límites de pérdida. Eso me está costando mucho respetar. Tengo una buena operativa, pero termino sobreoperando y no respeto mis límites de pérdida. Y eso es lo que más me ha costado. Ya llevo más de 3 años entre... Ya, bueno, esto es normal, ¿eh? O sea, eso le pasa al 99% de la gente y a mí también me pasa y le pasa al mejor trader del mundo, yo creo. Tengo una buena operativa, pero termino sobreoperando. Sí, sobreoperar es muy normal, sobre todo si tu personalidad, pues también, ¿no? Influye. Si es impulsiva o no aceptas, pues, las pérdidas, ¿no? Eso es difícil de trabajar, pero si eres consciente, pues poco a poco, ¿no? Se irá mejorando esta faceta. Si tú crees que tienes un sistema válido y que es consistente, y que si mejoras ese detalle, si mejoras esa ecuación, o sea, ese factor de la ecuación, pues simplemente métele ahí, ¿sabes? A lo psicológico. Porque si no falla el técnico, si no falla tu análisis, es cuestión psicológica y de eso, ¿no? Y a veces es jodido y pues se pasa muy mal. Pero también a través del dolor se aprende. ¿Sueles tener un porcentaje de pérdida diaria semanal? No, la verdad es que no. Simplemente mi, mi focus, o sea, mi objetivo es durante la semana, pues buscar o que parezcan, o sea, que yo analizando la gráfica, me creo mis escenarios mentalmente de cómo puede ir el precio y si se da y el trade cumple como yo lo tengo pensado y como acorde a lo mínimo para que sea óptimo, entro. Y ya está. Eso es lo mi... Pero realmente no tengo un porcentaje de pérdida diaria o semanal. Intento pues stop loss siempre y perder lo mínimo, eso sí. Lunes y viernes, días malos para parar. Esas cosas son detalles que hay que tener en cuenta también. Y también días sin noticias de alto impacto en Estados Unidos. Y recordad siempre que el time zone Nueva York. A menos si operas con ICT. Si operas otros tipos de trading, no sé, pero con este tipo de trading es siempre New York time. Always New York time. ¿Usas indicadores para tradear? No, no uso. Uso price action, imbalances, retrocesos, Fibonacci. Uso figuras como, no figuras, pero niveles, como equal highs, equal lows, relative. Uso también divergencias, pero cosas que tú puedes ver en el precio. No necesito indicadores, ¿sabes? Como volume profile y no sé, todos estos indicadores, ¿no? Que ahora no me vienen a la cabeza porque hace tiempo que no los uso. Pero el MACD y todo esto, ¿sabes? ¿Cómo se llama? Las líneas estas, no me acuerdo ahora. Pero para que veas que hace tiempo que no las uso. De hecho las estuve usando al principio, pero no las dejé de usar. No sirven. A ver si puedo pasar una foto. Por ejemplo, a ver, copy image. Por ejemplo, algo así. No uso. EMA, MACD, volume profile, no sé. No uso nada de esto. Como puedes ver, solamente tengo el precio y tengo marcados mis anotaciones, pero que el precio me está dando. ¿Vale? Sobre todo ten en cuenta que estos indicadores que te enseñé antes, esto está basado en el precio pasado. Pero no te lo recomiendo. Al menos yo perdí mucho tiempo y no vale la pena. ¿Qué tal la experiencia de ganar el torneo de trading en vivo? Pues muy guay y muy inesperado. También no me lo esperaba. Me acuerdo que un día aparecí en la top 10 y digo, wow, y estaba feliz. Pero luego fue subiendo. Supongo que los otros traders también pues fueron intentando seguir subiendo y la cagaron. Se les fue. Y nada, pues... Pero fue muy guay. Sí. ¿Cómo aprendiste a tradear de esta manera? Pues... empecé, no sé cómo, en el trade, no me acuerdo, pero hace unos 5 años. Y empecé con lo que empieza todo el mundo, yo creo. Creo que lo encuentras por Google. Y estos indicadores así como muy old school. Y probé mucho, leí algunos libros así por encima, tampoco muy a fondo. Pero no encontraba no encontraba que tuviesen sentido, ¿sabes? Y un día mirando YouTube, vídeos de trading, de gente explicando trading, me pareció un tío hablando de ICT, de conceptos de estos, y luego fui al origen, a ICT, a su canal, y vi que había un montón de vídeos y tal, y a partir de ahí me empapé de esos conceptos, que hay demasiados. Tampoco lo recomiendo. Con unos cuantos yo creo que ya son suficientes. Yeah, this is late stream. I will close this stream in about maybe 10 minutes. Difficult day. I was expecting some more movement in Euro USD, but price just is fooling around. That's quite annoying, to be honest. Un poco molesto. Pero bueno, es así. Me too, man. Me too. I took a short position here. Sorry. Where was this? I took a short position here. From Tuesday, I have a short position. No, sorry, I closed it. I took another short position here. I took a sell position here, which is the model 2020 ICT. Took a short position here. I should close, but I didn't close. I was aiming for these targets, and then price just went up, so I closed the position. Still in some profit. And now, because this is SMT divergence with dollar and GBP/USD, I took a short position also. But I don't like this. This is low resistance. Sorry, high resistance liquidity run, and it's very annoying condition. So guys, it's nice to have you here in the chat, and I am so happy to try to answer your questions and help you. I'm trying to I'm making sorry a Darwinex trade record. You know this Darwinex thing? I will show you. So this is my Darwinex. I'm on the calibration phase. I need 5 days more. No, 4 days more to close this calibration phase. I made a 24% profit in these 11 days so far. You don't see profit here, but it's 24. Yeah. When do you think our bias is wrong? I know what you mean exactly. When do you think our bias is wrong? But yeah, which asset are you talking about? Like, which asset? Because could be any, could be gold, could be, yes, Nasdaq, yes, Euro USD. Euro USD. Yeah. Okay. Give me 1 second. So far we're kind of bullish still. You see this imbalance, this daily fair value gap. Only the wick made damage, bodies are inside the area, so I'm kind of watching this imbalance, how it react. Yeah, so far we have this, we're still bullish, right? If we have this, for example, this low break, we can think in going change of the bias, and I would like to see price visit this area and then going up, but can happen the price from here just will continue going up. So it's a bit now difficult to tell you, but in the long term I'm still bullish. So you see this low, that's a low I want to see be broken. If no, there's no change of direction. Okay guys, I need to stop the recording now. I will upload this live so you can watch what later, okay? Thank you guys and enjoy your weekend.